That's okay.
All right, we gonna do this over. Hey, y'all. I got your niece here. She just finished her wig. Woohoo! She got her wig going, girl. Yeah. So we're gonna turn it inside out so you can see. Look, look, look. How neat.
All me.
All her. All her. I didn't do it. She did it.
I know you want to be like me.
Was shy all day, but got all the hype in the end after she's done.
Shouts out to Yoli.
When
she see her.
When she's done, look, look, look.
So you can make your coins. Look at my wig.
Yes, this is a closure wig, guys. It will be for sale. Excuse the closure. It was already lifted. She's about to have it custom colored.
Yes.
So be on the lookout.
Bam.
Boom. But look at that. Look at that. This is her texture. So if y'all looking for a nice little custom baby, I don't know, is it going to be like a blondish color?
I think it's going to be a little blonde mixed in there. A few like blonde and white.
Ooh, so she about to do it up. So the closure's been lifted, but this is the hair. Look, 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 look. She got this wig on slay. So of course, she about to bleach the knots when it's done. We're gonna add some combs and an elastic band to this baby. It's already glueless.
Bam.
But we're gonna add some extra things for security, and she is gonna be on her way, on her way.